Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up two-factor authentication in eToro. Open the eToro website and log in with your email and password. After that, go to the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, find for Account option, and here you will see Security. Turn on the two-factor authentication here. Now select the country code and type in your phone number in this field. After that, click on Send button. A one-time code will be sent to your mobile device and you need to type in that OTP. After that, click on Verify to complete the setup. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. So that is how you can enable two-factor authentication in your eToro account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.